Hello, my name is Thomas. I'm representing investmentexcel.com in this presentation on how to calculate the correlation coefficient between two assets and also how to calculate the correlation matrix of several assets. And we will use stocks from the US market as example of calculating the correlation. This video and the Excel worksheet is available on investmentexcel.com and spotify.com. Let's just look at two time series of returns in the US market, and we will take a 25-day series of returns, daily returns on Microsoft and the index S&P, and we see the Microsoft share level first and then the level of the S&P in index points, and this obviously is in dollars. And here we calculate every day the period, the day-to-day return, and likewise on the S&P. Calculating the correlation in Excel we could do readily by using the correl function, which just takes as input the two time series, and it doesn't really matter if we take the one or the other on the left and or the right hand side. It gives the same result. I'll just show it through an estimation of a linear regression because there is a potentially good intuition and implication from that linear regression. So a linear regression, we know, is a model, a true model, which can be estimated with two parameters, beta and alpha. Normally we call alpha and beta in the textbooks, but it could be Z and W, doesn't really matter. Those are parameters and those are estimated. In the case of beta, the parameter in front of, in this case, S&P, the exogenous variable, and we use the slope function and guess 1.96, and alpha is 0.28 basis points. So here beta tells us that every time the S&P moves 1% on a daily basis, one way or another, it could be on a yearly basis as well, the Microsoft stock moves with a factor of 2 almost in a positive way. Okay, the correlation now, as I said, can be calculated with the correl function, but what we could have done was to calculate the R square of the model and then take the square root, and I could calculate in here manually the R squared, but that will take a few minutes. So what I will do instead is just to use a regression functionality inbuilt and calculate and use the R squared from there. So let's find the regression. It's here. Input the Y, Microsoft input X, which is the S&P, and we will put the results in a new sheet. R square, and we are just looking for the R square here because we only have one exogenous variable, the S&P. So let's just try to